So you might be in a situation where for some reason iOS 26.2.1 isn't actually showing up or this update is missing. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. So if you're trying to go through and update your iPhone and the update's just not showing up or missing, the first thing I recommend doing is just double check your Wi-Fi or internet connection. So go through, double check that your internet connection or your Wi-Fi connection are properly set up. Because sometimes if they're not, then that's going to be the main issue. So inside of your iPhone settings, double check that your connection here is good. And that's pretty much the first place I would recommend kind of thinking to kind of check out. Now, if that doesn't seem to be working, the next thing I'd recommend doing is to try restarting your iPhone. So go through, hold down the buttons you normally would to restart your iPhone. You can go and kind of hold it down like this, slide the power off, give it a few moments, turn it back on. And for a lot of people, that will probably end up fixing the problem as well. And that's another one of those situations that I recommend kind of thinking about. Now, if you do that and that's still not working, the next thing I'd recommend doing is to go through and just try seeing if you can delete that update if it's on your iPhone. So in your iPhone storage panel in general, click here and try seeing if you first of all have enough storage on your iPhone. If you do, I'd recommend going through and seeing if that iOS update is downloaded. If it is, swipe to the side on that update, go ahead and try deleting it, and that is another one of those things I'd recommend doing. And if you do it, you might be able to see the update kind of show up here. So in terms of that, that covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.